Hey my raisins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, please join the family and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning day ones, Jayam. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we are going to have a natural look tutorial. I don't recall ever trying intentionally a natural look, so it will also be a first for me. But before we start, let's just go through the products I'll be using. I'm going to be using this Revlon full cover stay. Next up, I'll be using the LA Pro Conceal, and this is to cover my dark spots before I apply my foundation and obviously to highlight. And then I'm going to be using this NYX shadow palette, perfect eyeliner to shape my eyebrows and a little bit of my lips. And this is, yeah, it's LA Girl. Second lastly, Elizabeth Arden lipstick, and might use some Discam lip therapy, but I don't know, we'll figure it out. So let's go, let's get it. First up, we are gonna go in with our concealer. Next up, I'm gonna go with the Revlon Full Cover Foundation Matte at the color 425 Caramel. And I did a review of this foundation and I'll leave the link of the video in the description below. I really like how it just melted in my skin, really like the way it matched my skin tone. Foundation is all done. So next up, we are going to work the eye area, and I'm gonna first go in with this brush. I'm just gonna shape it up. I'm making sure that I'm brushing in the upward direction, and after all these strands are facing up, I'm gonna go in and shape it like this. You see? And I'm gonna do the same. I'm going to use concealer on the bottom and use foundation on the top. The foundation and concealer, I'm just gonna dab on the product. And at the top, remember you wipe. Well, I wipe. Alright, so next up, eyeshadow. So in choosing the eyeshadows, what you want to do is create a very nude combination, and this depends on your skin tone. The darker the nude shades, and the lighter the nude shades. So you are going to start off, I prefer to start off with the what they call a transition color, and I normally use a lighter shade as a transition color. So I'm gonna go in with this color, this shade. Next up, I'm gonna do a medium shade of a nude color, and it's going to be this one. Next up, I'm gonna go in with a darker nude. I think I'm gonna go in with this one over here. Next, I'm going to just blend everything in. Now I'm going to go in with, I'm gonna go with eyeliner at the bottom and then concealer. We are almost done. Two things, mascara and lip. So let's go in with the mascara first. Final part, the lip. Let me use this highlighter thing first. And let's go in with the lip liner. So this is the final look. I really dig it. I really love it. This could very well be one of my favorite looks. Tell me what you guys think. If this was the first time watching and you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to join the family and make sure your notification bell is on. That way you can be the first to check out my new videos. And if you're subscribed, also please just double check that you have a notification bell on. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.